Whitemoney in the building.
Yes.
People they thought say make you leave music, go open restaurant.
Yeah.
Waiting with them. Waiting you get restaurant where they don't know.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all nation, here on Wazobia FM, Nedu, you heard it. My people, you heard it. Whitemoney's Party Jollof is coming out the end of this month or first week of January. Whitemoney Party Jollof is coming out. And guess what? That is not just there. Next week, Whitemoney's oatmeal will be out. I've been in the food business on the low.
If we see through me, we talk. Song, it get some songs, yes. When it be said, it be like say that then go sing them. It be like soup where they use like they cook.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. This one say I don't even know he's the one, but I was dancing.
Imagine.
But that's the truth. Some of them just get closed mind. Get closed mind, thinking, oh, white. When I don't think from beginning, say Whitemoney not supposed to do music. Whitemoney, nana.
I kept saying this in the show. I composed 90%, in fact 99% of all the songs that was using Big Brother, Shine Your Eye. I composed all those songs. I wrote all those songs. The first stacks we did, I composed the song literally. People, in fact, let me shock you. The stacks we did for some brands in the house, most of the brands came out and bought that song from me.
You see them?
They bought the songs from me. They had it in the house. Oh, this song we did it. They came out and bought the songs from me. They don't pay money, man, no call their name, but they bought the songs from me. So because people already see me in a certain kind of way.
Because they see you in a particular way.
But the thing why they tell people say the fact say person know how to cook, no mean say if you run restaurant. Now two different things. There's a business of cooking. Exactly. At the level I am now, you don't expect me to use one shop. You want me to come out in standard. And I get him investment. You put 300 million now, so you can make I go follow you like fly. But you don't give me that kind of money. So make I reject the gigs when they come. I'm getting me okay, if I'm not doing well, bro, why am I getting South African DJs sending me beats to say vibe on it?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
I've not even dropped all those ones. Songs never drop. I have more believe on songs. Me and Immobility we don't drop. See, I have Bisacadia. Do you know Bisacadia from Ghana? Me and I get jam.
I know Bisacadia.
Trust me, we never drop anything. We just look. You see that Grammy, we will collect them. You know say the song drop the same day where we say all the big leagues drop their song. That same day, Bonner dropping song. That same day, drop song. Davido drop song. Wow. Don Jazzy drop song. So we don't know. Nobody knows say their song will drop that day. You don't pitch song to store like 2 or 3 weeks ahead. So you will know, and the stores will tell you that
they're not gonna tell you. Because
it's good. Yeah, it's good traffic for them.
People go see me for movie, then go expect to laugh.
Yeah, exactly.
You understand? You go naturally expect to laugh.
Exactly.
But what of movie where you get one movie where we go shoot now? Give her Kevin Hart did the movie. Wow. What we go shoot? I not do funny part. I'm not funny. I'm not funny inside the movie. I was mad as dead as bad mother. Flipping human being for the movie. Not how they talk. So not the box person. That's why you go say okay, Chiwetalago no juju man if
Yeah, so people don't know shit. I'm a businessman. I have a lot of things because we don't come out and post and show off what we have. And then I beg, just do your day. I'm actually doing what I love. The question: are you doing what you love?
Are you doing what you love?
I'm doing what I love.
You where they vex? Say you do what you love.
I'm doing what I love.
The guy they do what he love with the sweet and for body.
Even the people where they vex for, I know they even do it they love.
I know they do what they love. Some of them never even chop this morning. Not be insult.
Yeah, critics are not haters. Critics are stepping stone.
I just they talk my mind. When I say make it go put a make it go cook. They cook music.
Yes! Yeah. I cook songs for a living.
That is music restaurant.
I'm actually doing what I love. The question: are you doing what you love?
Are you doing what you love?
I'm doing what I love.
You where they vex? Say you do what you love.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the commot family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Commot.